Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Laravel MailChimp. So today we are going to learn how to unsubscribe the email from the MailChimp account of the subscribers. So let's see how we are going to implement this. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. There is simple keyword that we are going to use for the unsubscribe part is just you need to add the unsubscribe, right? Where we have a subscribe function, we need to add this unsubscribe. Okay, so I'm going to add it over here. Unsubscribe newsletter, unsubscribe any subscription email we are going to add. This is subscribed already, right? So I'm going to add it over here, unsubscribe part, right? And if I go and check the MailChimp account, let me log in. Okay, so let's see where it is. I will do this later. Members list, all contacts. So you can see that this rinse wine have this is subscribed, right? If I check, and this one, this is subscribed email market, right? If I'm going to add it unsubscribed, okay, so how we are going to add, just add this one, save this, open the terminal, add php artisan serve to run the server. Serve, okay, so here just we'll copy the link, open, this is already open, right? So I'm going to add the import part. I'm going to add any of the email. You can make it dynamic accordingly, right? Send. Let's see. It's to be subscribed. Let's take it unsubscribed. So you can see that unsubscribed. This one. So this is how you can unsubscribe any of the email in the newsletter of the MailChimp. This is a simple part. That's you need to add just unsubscribe. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.